What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Now that's a question I do get, especially from beginners, people who wants to get started. They heard about affiliate marketing, but they don't know exactly what it is and also how to get started with it. So I thought I would cover it in today's video here, and also some tips and insights about affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you how to find programs, how to also drive traffic, and a lot more. But first, if you are new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about affiliate marketing, making money online, and a lot more. Okay, so as I said, I'm going to share with you what exactly affiliate marketing is. I'm going to explain it, and I'm also going to show you how to find affiliate programs, how to drive traffic, and a lot more. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so real quick, affiliate marketing is that when you promote someone else's product, you get a commission. I'm going to explain to you how everything works right here. So let's get started here. I'm going to actually show you real quick here. So here we have the manufacturer or the product creator. Okay, here we have the affiliate marketer. And here is the buyer. Okay, so basically how it works is that the product creator or the manufacturer might go to the buyer, but he wants to increase his profits, he wants to get more sales. So what he do is he actually create an affiliate program, and that is where the affiliate marketer come in. So what he says is that, just to give you a quick example here, I'm sorry for the ugly writing. Let's say that he sells the product for $100. Now, he agree that if an affiliate marketer actually get a sale here, okay, get a sale, he will give you, just to give you a quick example, 50% in commission, okay? I'm sorry for the ugly writing here. So it means that the affiliate marketer will earn 50, the manufacturer and the product creator will earn 50 instead of 100. But on the other hand, he would have saved a lot of money and time on finding this buyer. Okay, so what you have to do as an affiliate marketer, you have to focus on getting traffic, you have to get buyers. You get a link with a special cookie, it's your personalized link, so you will promote that link. And it is, as I usually say, you have to grab an offer to promote, grab the link and find a way to promote that link. It is as simple as that, but I'm also going to share here some tips and insights regarding that. Now, one quick example could be Amazon, which has millions of products that you can promote. Now what they do is they usually give you around a 5% commissions here for every product you sell, but the cool thing with Amazon is that they have a 24-hour cookie. So someone might come here and buy, let's say, a charger for the iPhone, but he also sees that he wants to buy a new laptop. So you can get a commission for the laptop too. This is the cool thing with Amazon. And of course, it's also the amount here that counts. I mean, 5%, for example, on a cable or something is not something that are going to get you rich. But if you are driving a huge amount of traffic, you might get 100 sales. And of course, as I said, everything else they purchase there, you get a commission for that too. Here is another example. This is cj.com. It was a former Commission Junction. They have, for example, lawn mowers, okay? So when you promote a lawnmower here through this platform, you get a commission. Digital products like tutorials, video, ebooks, videos, and all that is a huge market. And one of the largest networks around the globe is Clickbank.com, which is also one of the easiest to get started with as a beginner. You basically create a free account here and you can get started to search here. You can see that there are so many categories. Now, some of the most popular is the Make Money Online. There is the cooking, food, home and garden. There is the mobile section, self-help, and also health and fitness, weight loss and stuff like that. You can sort here by gravity. This is Clickbank's own metrics. And you can see here number 1 is the custom keto diet. This is huge right now as I'm recording the video. And you just grab a link here, more or less. You can see here this is a long link. You can shorten it, of course. And you have to find a way to promote it. You can see here that the average commission that you will make for every sale is $45.40. Now they do have some upsells. They might have an original product might cost $27, but then people can purchase an upsell, so they count on that and they say that the average earnings commission is $45, which is very good. Okay, so for every sale that you make for custom keto diet, you will get a commission for that. And we have some other products here. There are so many products in here, okay? But I think you get the point here on how it works, because that's the main point with this video also here. Here is another affiliate network. Sharersale.com has also tons of opportunities. So it depends a little bit on your niche here. I mean, if you're focused in make money online products, then Warrior Plus could definitely be something for you. And you can promote a lot of other products. I mean, for example, we have hosting, okay? Who doesn't want hosting? Who wants to have their own hosted websites? So what you can do actually is just go to Google here, and you are, let's say that you have a hosting company, okay? Basically, I have Fast Comet. So Fast Comet affiliate program, you just type it in here, and you can see here, there you go, we have the link, so you can check out all the details here regarding the Fast Comet program. Now, I know that many people would probably say Bluehost, but I have actually created a video and shared about it. Stay away from those companies. Get involved in a real and good hosting company to actually sleep well, as I say. So we have Fast Comet here, the affiliate program, and you can read everything about it. You can see the commissions that you earn. So you can get started here, create an account and grab your link and promote that. And whatever you're looking for, more or less what you can do is actually go inside here. Okay, so let's say that you know custom keto diet, for example, and you type affiliate marketing. I think that you will get some links here, okay? There you go, custom keto diet slash affiliates, customketodiet.com. And if I open it up, I will probably arrive to this. Okay, so they say that you will have to sign up here and then access to the affiliate tools. And of course, you should have an Clickbank account there. So that is how easy you can find affiliate marketing products, programs to promote, Now, regarding traffic, of course, there are many ways. One of the hottest right now is, of course, TikTok, where you can promote yourself as an influencer, but you don't have to be in front of the camera, actually. People that go really super viral, within a few weeks, they get 100,000 followers. So definitely one of the hottest to get started with is TikTok. You create short videos, 15 seconds, 60, maximum 60 seconds there. You don't have to show yourself, okay? I do both, actually. I show myself on some and also show, of course, the screen there. I talk about, give some tips, and then I tell them to check out the link in my bio. This is the one here for my #1 recommendation. And here is where you can have your affiliate link, for example, if you want to get started to promote super fast without actually totally free, more or less. Of course, Instagram is pretty similar as well, but I think that TikTok is probably more hot right now to get started with. Blogging could be, of course, something else that you can do. I actually don't blog these days, but what I do is I more or less post my videos, since I'm recording a lot of videos here. But here is something else. You can do a review video. You can see I have done a lot of review videos here. So I'm just going to open one here as an example. where I do a video, I share about this product, for example, how you can make 20,000 extra, and I'm also including a unique bonus. And this is a cool way, if you can find actually something as a unique bonus to offer, and people will purchase it through your link there. Now I have my own product here, which is Daily List Profits. It's about email list building and affiliate marketing and a lot more. So I'm offering it here because when someone purchases it, it doesn't cost me any extra. I already have this product, okay? So this is a very, very good idea. Of course, YouTube is very good also to promote affiliate offers. You have probably seen a lot of ways people are recording videos, they're recording reviews. They don't even show themselves in front of the camera, they just record some slides there. They do actually present, they make a review probably or whatever, and they rank that video high. And you can see here, for example, this is my other channel. If you haven't subscribed to it, I highly recommend you to do that as well. I share a lot of tips and insights on how you can make money online here, how you can get started for free, make some extra money online also. But since YouTube is the second largest search engine, I think that it is a great way to create videos, because when you have them there, you don't have to do anything else with it. So it works more or less passively later on here when you rank them higher. Now, of course, paid advertising, there are a lot of affiliates who spend thousands per day actually with Google ads, for example, because they make their money back. Now here, you have to know your numbers, you have to know a little bit about the product, how to do it right. So this is not a great way to get started straight away actually with paid advertising. I do not recommend to get started with it unless you know what you are doing and you have done some kind of paid per click advertising earlier. Now, big tip is that, as I said earlier here, you can see that this is my product here, it's Daily List Profits. Now you can see here, these are actually commissions that I do get here. This was 778 for one day. This is affiliate commissions that I get, but what I do recommend is to build an email list actually. And how do you do that? Well, really simple. You go to a site like aweber.com. This is my #1 recommendation. This is an autoresponder, and this is what you use actually to collect your emails, okay? So basically how it works, you do need some kind of a landing page. This is a quick example here. All you have to do is actually just write like free video for anyone who wants to start an online business but doesn't know where to begin, okay? So this is one of my landing pages that I use, and this is another one with some more text in there so you know what you're going to see. And when you actually check out my #1 recommendation, this is what you will see probably here. This is an exit pop-up. And what you do is you will enter, you can see here, you get instant access. You enter your name, you enter your email address, and when you will be redirected, you will see the sales page here, okay? This is my #1 recommendation. I could actually have said that my product is my #1 recommendation, but I do recommend you to get started with this. It is much cheaper, and you will go through a 15-day business challenge. This is perfect for getting started with affiliate marketing. You will learn the foundations, the basics that you will need so you can get started the right way with affiliate marketing. So I highly recommend you to have a closer look at this as soon as we finished this video, of course. And you can check out all the details here for yourself when you opt in. It's not going to cost you an arm or a leg here, but it's $7 only to learn all this actually valuable information so you can get started the right way. And you can of course upgrade later on. You can check out my course if you want to also as well. It's dailylistprofits.com. Alright, if you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. Don't forget, as I said earlier here, to check out my #1 recommendation. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.